The ANC has issued a formal apology to the family of Fezekile Kwesi Khuzwayo, the woman who accused former President Jacob Zuma of assayed her in 2006. Sibonisa Duma, the provincial chairperson of ANC in KwaZulu-Natal, visited the Khuzwayo family home in Bushini this week to express his regret on behalf of the party. Duma acknowledged the ANC's failure to support Kwesi during her ordeal, a lapse he admitted was contrary to the party's constitutional commitment to protect women and children. He said, "We dearly apologize for not standing up when Kwesi was abused. While some spoke up, it's not enough. The family of Comrade Khuzwayo was not healed, and we take responsibility for our shortcomings." The apology coincides with the repatriation of the remains of Kwesi's father, Judson Khuzwayo, a former member of Umkhonto we Sizwe, the ANC's disbanded armed wing. Khuzwayo, who died in exile in Zimbabwe in 1985, was among the several MK members whose remains were recently returned to South Africa. Kwesi accused Zuma, a close family friend whom she regarded as a father figure, of airing her at his Johannesburg home in 2005. Zuma denied the allegations, claiming their sexual encounter was consensual. In 2006, he was acquitted of the charge, but the trial ignited widespread outrage and raised serious questions about power dynamics and justice in South Africa. Kwesi faced relentless public scrutiny and vilification during the trial. Her identity was leaked to the media and she was forced to flee South Africa for her safety. The ANC's gesture of reconciliation comes as Duma vowed to raise issues of accountability in Parliament, emphasizing that no individual, regardless of their power or influence, should evade responsibility for misconduct, and said this is not just about Kwesi, but about ensuring our constitution is upheld and that such injustices are never repeated. Kwesi passed away in 2016 at the age of 41 from natural causes. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.